Hello YouTube, this is Wolf with Heathen Airsoft, and today I've got a quick unboxing. This unboxing is coming from evike.com. I'll put a link in the description. Whoops, I just cut off part of the packing slip. Oh well. Who needs a packing slip anyway? Yeah, that's my info, you don't need that. And today's package is some Matrix 18:1 gears. Because I need them for my AK, because I shared the gear set. That's obviously why I have gears. So that's all, plus an Evike brochure with another sweet coupon. There you go. So, this is Wolf with Heathen Airsoft signing off. Have a good day. Peace, like, comment, subscribe. See you on the field.